Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to transfer a design from one project to another within Canva. This technique is incredibly helpful when you are managing multiple files and want to maintain a uniform aesthetic. Let's walk through the steps to make this process quick and easy. First, open your Canva account and go to the design you intend to copy. Once the file is open, find the grid icon on the main toolbar. Clicking this will change your workspace to a grid layout, which is particularly useful for projects containing many pages. This view allows you to see all your pages at once, making it much simpler to pick the specific ones you want to move. Now, let's look at selecting those pages. If you only need one page, simply click on it. However, to select multiple pages, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking each desired page. This allows you to highlight several items without losing your previous selections. Once you have everything selected, it is time to copy the content. Press Ctrl and C together if you are on Windows, or Command and C if you are using a Mac. This command copies all selected elements, preparing them for the transfer. Next, navigate to the other Canva project where you want to paste the content. Make sure this design is open in the same browser window to ensure a smooth transfer. Once the new project is ready, identify where you want the copied pages to be placed. Now for the final step, pasting your work. Use Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac to insert the pages directly into the new file. It really is that simple. You can now move or edit these pages to fit the context of your new project. By following these clear steps, you can easily replicate designs across various Canva projects. This not only saves you time, but also ensures brand consistency and improves your overall workflow. Be sure to use these shortcuts during your next project to design like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy designing.